So here's an upgrade I made on the Foley belsaw. This old log scale sucked. The one that came with the Foley belsaw. I put a bolt, there was a threaded hole on this knee here. So I just welded an eye bolt on it. And then put a jam nut on there. A piece of cable. Cable goes through around a little pulley. You can grease it all the way up around the top. This one's greasable too. And then it hangs this weight. It's all made out of 1/2 inch regular carbon. And you get a little pointer there. Tells you where you're at. Then I put an eye bolt with a nylock and a jam nut, and you can adjust it by threading that up or down to fine tune. And I made little tick marks in it. One side's for 2 inch, the other side's for 1 inch. So when you start making boards, you just put this on that mark, and then you'll end up cutting perfect boards right to the last one is a 2 inch. Works pretty good. Heck of a lot better than the old one, that's for sure. Then I tuned up these dogs. I don't know what model of belsaw they're off of. They're supposed to have a gear here, and then this locks the dog down. That was broken, long gone. So I cut some 1/2 inch flat bar, made a dog. Short on the bottom. It works good, it spikes them down hard. I just drilled through and put a bolt, welded it to this bar, and then this little cheek bolts onto there, and it holds up real good. Did all 3 of them that way. And I forgot, this is just a 3 inch channel, 1/4 inch web thickness, and then it's got a 1/2 inch base plate, and then I made a hook, so it hooks onto this carriage, so it's not just relying on the bolts. The bolts keep it in place, but this helps hold it to keep from rocking. 7/16 grade 8 nylocks on it. Does pretty good. Here's some lumber that I've milled. Everything's 18 foot. And then some of these I trim them down, make 8s out of them.